Hi, this is attorney Arash Jafary with AJ Law Practice. So, you've been in a car wreck. So, you're hurting really bad. So, you realize that the other side, the person who's caused you all this trouble, all this expense, all this pain, doesn't have enough coverage. It's not that they didn't have any insurance, it's the fact that they just don't have enough. They have the state minimum under Georgia law, which is $25,000. Not enough. So what can you do now? What are your options? Well, I hope that you have purchased this wonderful additional optional insurance coverage called underinsured. Once you have uninsured motorist coverage, which we've covered before, you also have underinsured. So what does this do? Let's go over a couple of examples, because there are two different options when you purchase underinsured motorist coverage in Georgia. You have what's called an added to, and the other one is called reduced by. So what are the differences? Here are the differences. Let's say that you have the state minimum, required minimum, $25,000. The other side has $25,000, the person who has hit you. So if it's added to, your coverage limit, the $25,000, gets added on top of theirs, and now you have $50,000 to work with. So that's why it's so important to have it. But what if it's not added to and it's reduced by? If it's reduced by, that means that your coverage limit gets reduced by theirs. So $25,000 minus the $25,000 comes out to zero. So you have nothing extra to work with. This is important because if you get involved in a car wreck, medical expenses are crazy high. And if you have more, you are better off. So if you have any questions, of course, if you have any additional concerns, I'm always here to answer questions. Feel free to reach out. Have a wonderful day, my friends. Stay safe.